In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your profit and loss in QuickBooks Online. We'll start right inside QuickBooks Online. First, move your mouse over the reports option on the left-hand navigation. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens up the reporting area so you can quickly get to the most commonly used report groups without digging around. Next, select Standard Reports. This is where QuickBooks keeps its built-in, ready-to-use reports that follow common accounting formats. It's a great starting point because you can take a preset layout and tailor it to what you need instead of building something from scratch. From the list, choose Profit and Loss. This report summarizes your income and expenses over a specific period and shows whether the business made a profit. It's often the first report stakeholders look at, so formatting and clarity matter. Once the profit and loss opens, click Customize. This opens a panel with options that control what the report shows and how it looks. Think of this panel as your control center for presentation and filtering, so you can make the report easier to read and more relevant to your audience. In the Customization panel, click Number Format. These settings help clean up how your numbers appear. If you're dealing with large figures, you can select Divide by 1,000. That will display amounts in thousands, which is especially helpful for slide decks, high-level updates, or when space on the page is tight. Just remember that every number, including totals and subtotals, will now be shown in thousands. So it's a good idea to note that somewhere in your presentation materials, you can also turn on Don't Show Currency Symbol. Hiding the symbol reduces visual clutter and makes columns feel cleaner, particularly if your report is only in one currency. If you work with multiple currencies, you may prefer to keep symbols visible, but in many cases, removing them improves readability. Now let's refine what the report includes. Open the Filters section. This is where you control which data appears, so you can focus on the accounts or categories that matter for your analysis. Click into the empty field inside Filters to search or choose from available options. For example, select Account Type. This lets you narrow the report to specific categories, like only income accounts, only expense accounts, or a focused set relevant to your review. As you pick the account types, the report view will reflect those choices, so you can immediately see the impact. And that's it. By hovering over reports, choosing standard reports, opening profit and loss, customizing the number format, and applying filters such as account type, you can shape a clean, focused profit and loss that tells the right story to your audience.